Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MySQL DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the MySQL Point-in-Time Recovery PITR using the full backup and binary logs across the two Linux server. That is, we are using the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Okay, so step by step process is given there. We'll just take a full backup, then we'll add some data, and we'll just take a binary backup of log backup, and we'll just restore on the secondary server to point-in-time recovery. So environment we have a two server. One is the primary server, and second is the recovery server. Primary server IP is 192.168.224.128, and secondary server, that is the recovery server, that is 192.168.224.129. Okay, so primary server is this is for the main MySQL database server, and second server is the server for the PITR. So MySQL version, we are using the latest version. Assume we have 8.x, and MySQL user, I'm using the root and password admin@123. And installation of the VM, we have already created video regarding the VM creation and VMware workstation installation, download and installation. So you can go through that for that. So now we are moving to the installation of the MySQL on the both the servers. So let me access both the server. Both the servers are working running on the VMware workstation. There is a node 1 and node 2 that is running at the Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS. Okay. So now I'm going to access both the servers. So write Windows R, Windows plus R. There is a open CMD SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.224.129. Okay, 128. First server is 128. Just copy this path. We'll just log in with the second server also. Sudo su. Okay. CD clear this. So now we need to connect with the another server. So that is 129. So sudo su clear. So side by side, I'm going to run this one. So first step is there. Install MySQL on both the servers. So this is the update command, update the package, whatever they're running. Let me run and I will just discuss about that. So second server, both the servers I'm running. So this is for the update the packages, whatever the package is installed in my Linux server, Ubuntu server, this will update, and this is a Debian. And sudo apt install MySQL server -1, this will install the MySQL database. And sudo systemctl enable MySQL means that it will enable the MySQL whenever the system will boot, automatically MySQL service will be start. And second is next is start the MySQL service. So this is the command. Okay, this is the command for the installing and enabling the MySQL. Now we can secure our MySQL using the running this command. So just copy this command. Okay, let it complete. Okay, done. Now I'm just running the securing the MySQL installation and put yes. Just low I'm going to do remove anonymous user, yes. Disallow remote login, yes. Remove test database, yes. And reload the privileges, yes. And second server also will do the same. Let it complete. Okay, near about to complete. So first we'll secure my MySQL, then we'll just change the plugin to root to MySQL native password. So done. Now I'm going to secure. Yes. 0. Low I'm giving. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow login. Remove test databases and reload the privilege. Done. So now I'm going to log in MySQL. So both the server do the same. Then MySQL prompt just user root and identified with the MySQL native password by admin@123. Apply the changes means plus privileges and exit from there. So do the same on the both. So done. Now test the login without password. It won't allow. Just enter click. It will ask you the password and give the password. So you can able to log in. Let me check with the second server also. So I am able to log in. Okay. So select queue or exit. Both the way you can exit from there. Now you have confirm optional. This is optional. Disable the auth socket. So you can check the auth socket. So auth socket is already MySQL native password. We have set the password with that. You can test with that. You will get the output like this. Okay. So move to the second. So there is a configure MySQL on primary for backup and binary logs. So just this is the path. Just copy this one and paste and open this. First Control W search and then server dash ID. So this is ID is 1. Enable the binary log and add these two lines. Okay, binary log format is row and expiry log is days is 7. I'm giving this. So Control X and Y. So restart the MySQL for apply the changes. Whatever the changes we have done in configuration, we are working with the primary server. So let me forgot to give the name. This one primary 128. Okay, this one is recovery server recovery 129 and give the tab color I'm going to give the red. Okay, so this is the red and this is black. Now take the physical backup on the primary using the MySQL dump. I'm not using this. Okay, using MySQL dump. Before that, I'm going to create a database and table. So log in with this password we know and create the database. Use test DB. Okay, database is changed. Now create the employee table. So created. Now insert some data. These are the simple command for the DBA. So no need to worry about that. So we are getting the 3 rows here. Now we'll take a full backup. So exit from the console and just run this command. MySQL dump is the using for the database backup minus u root. Here we have to define the database, or here we are giving the all databases. So all databases single transaction plus log and resource data is equal to 2 and full database. This is the name of the database. You can able to see like this. This is the name of the database. Enter. It will ask you the password, root password. Provide the root password. So enter. Now LL and you can see there is a database backup is created. Okay. Now again log in and add some more data. Okay, we have done. Add some more data. So added. Now verify the data. So done. We have a previously we have a 3 rows. You can able to see. Now we have a 5 rows. With 2 rows we have added this. Okay. Now whatever the backup you have taken, exit from here. The full backup I'm copying to 129 server. This is a secondary server. I'm going to copy. So SCP full backup, and this is the username for the second server, recovery server. This is the IP address, and this is the path. In this path, we'll just copy. So cd/home dpt. Okay, we don't have the full backup here. So enter, it will ask you the connection, yes, and give the password of the DPT on second user, second server. So copy it. Now LL, you can able to see that is a full backup is copied. Okay. So after that, just copy the binary logs. So just list the binary log first in the primary server from primary server to recovery server. I'm writing the clear in clear way. So here just ls. So these are the binary log we have. Okay. So now copy the this file. This file also I'm copying the same command is near about same. Only I am adding here one folder. So enter admin at the rate 123. So done. All the files are copied. So we have done. Now move to the file copied. So I think some sentences are missing here. Move the files to itna. Here I have to write in re recovery server. In recovery server. Okay. Move the files from this to this path. Okay. Go there and run this command. So file are moved. Now set up recovery server. So stop that. I'm stopping the recovery server. Restore physical backup using command. So first let me start the service and just full backup. So full backup is restored. Now apply the binary log for the point in time recovery. So find, just open this file and get the master file log position and master file name, the log name. So open this. You can run nino and this. Okay. Go down. This is 5 times 0 and 2 and 157. Okay. This is position. So where is that? Yeah, this one. So we have changed this one 157 and 002 and run this command. Where is that? Okay. Run this command. Or you can apply the changes of the specific point in time. So you know the time where so you can give this one. And if you want to apply the multiple binary log, then you have to run this command. So I'm starting from this. So done. This is also done. Now we have done all the things. Now let me log in and compare the table and data. So MySQL minus U root minus P admin at the rate 123. So databases. So you can able to check the test data. So test DB. So done. So tables. So employee table is there. Select extract from employees. So you can able to see there is a 5 rows are there, but when we have taken the backup we have only 3 rows. Okay, so there is a 5 rows. So exit. So these are the optional, means you can run this one or you can run with the specific time, and you can run with the multiple binary logs, whatever the binary log one by one you can give. And if you want to leave the binary log of the last, then you can leave. Okay. So in this video, we have learned MySQL Point-in-Time Recovery PITR using the full backup and binary log across the two Linux servers. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.